it don't fit, don't force. Let nature take its course. Test your lover, give her a kiss, and if she wants you to, kiss her again, and then again, and again, and again, and again, and then let nature take its course. Let nature take its course. Well, if it don't fit, don't force. Let nature take its course. None of your plans will go to ruin. Long as you know, if you know just what you're doing, just do it again and again and again and again, and then let nature take its course. Let nature take its course. Well, if it don't fit,